In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player Undertale. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, two-player mode is not available natively for Undertale. However, by using this mod that is named Undertale Together, you will be able to get this done, and you can play with a friend either locally or online. So if both of you are on the same location, maybe you invited a friend over, you will be able to share the same screen and the same keyboard and controls, or alternatively, you have methods to do it online. So first of all, you will need to download the mod. You can find the mod on this website, ModDB or Mod Database. So look for Undertale Together 2 Players mod. As you can see, it was released in 2019, so it is very old and very reputable. It has a community rating of 9.3, and it does exactly what it suggests. It adds multiplayer functionalities into Undertale. It is incredibly simple to set up. You just click the download option here. Then you go through with the setup, so choose Undertale Together or Undertale Together Next So. And then once you download it, all that you have to do is run the installer. There's going to be an executable file among all of the files included. You extract it somewhere and you run the installer. As you can see, the controls are listed here. Now, in the installer, there is no secret. You just tap Next and make sure that you are aware of all the requirements here. What you will need: a legitimate copy of Undertale, anything lower than version 1.08, a little bit of patience, and dog. Just click Next, follow through with the instructions. Usually it is going to auto-detect a specific copy, so in this case, Steam. You click Yes, and it is going to be installed. Here are instructions if you would like to uninstall it later. You simply have to verify the integrity of the game files and remove data.win.bau. With this done, immediately upon opening Undertale for the next time, you will be able to choose Player 2's hide color, skin, and also the name. And with this done, you can use these controls to play. If you wish to do it online, then you will have to follow some alternative instructions. As you can see, it is a little bit longer, but essentially you will have to run the game through Steam and use Remote Play, where you are able to do local co-op, but you do it online instead of locally. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Undertale. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.